So what's going on, guys? Come and join me and Brooke as we finally get to explore Iceland's Golden Circle. Here we go.
Off to see some of Iceland's horses, we finally reached the first stop of the Golden Circle, the Great Geysir.
Our first stop of the Golden Circle.
But you didn't see a... Yeah. I mean, sometimes, yeah.
Eruptions at Geysir can hurl boiling water up to 70 meters or 230 feet into the air. However, eruptions may be infrequent and in the past have stopped for years at a time. Now, Strokur is a fountain-type geyser located in the geothermal area in Iceland, in the southwest part of the country, east of Reykjavik. It typically erupts every 6 to 10 minutes, and its usual height is 15 to 20 meters, 49 to 66 feet high, although it can sometimes erupt up to 40 meters or 130 feet high.
Before heading off to our next destination, we stopped to check out the Geysir Centre for a quick look around and a nice warm coffee.
Don't touch four.
Letty, one cappuccino takeaway?
Off you go.
Lattes.
Everywhere I go.
Which shows pictures masterfully. She is
Right, so it's -4. And it's icy to the point where me and Brooke are slipping everywhere. Here we go to the Gullfoss Waterfalls. One of the main attractions here in Iceland. In the worst possible weather. It doesn't matter what you wear up here, you're cold. watching back some of these videos, I've realised that me and Brooke got very close to the edge and it became very dangerous as I was slipping everywhere. So if you do plan on going to Iceland in the winter season, do be careful.
Sam's complaining it's too cold. It's -4. Oh yeah. Yep.
This side. Down there, that would have been a hell of a shot, but as you can see, the snow says no. Some fantastic scenery there, Brooke.
Yeah.
I'm knackered though in this cold, walking up those steps, but I'll be back now. October's. Size of the building. Supposed to be a bench there. Jeez. Let's sit here for a coffee. Made it to the national park. Very slippery. Very slippery. The park has been expanded to protect the diverse and natural phenomena in the surrounding area, and in 2004 it was declared a World Heritage Site. The National Park lies in a rift valley that marks the crest of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge and the boundary between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. Yeah, you just be careful by you.
Somewhere that's so close by. It's quite cool.
Doing all I can so I don't slip here, guys. Brooke's doing the same. Guys, this is treacherous. 1 minute she's behind me saying we gotta head back in a minute. Next minute she's miles behind me. I don't know if she slipped or fell or what. Man, this joke goes on forever. Just want to go to see by here what we got, and then I head back. service. I'm only having a look. Unfortunately guys, our camera cut out just as the trip was ending, so we had to cut the film short there and then. So then guys, we are back from our Golden Circle detour. Brooke, what's your thoughts? Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I loved it actually.
Favourite part?
The waterfalls.
Yeah, the Gullfoss Waterfalls. That's my favourite part of the day too. Absolutely stunning. Guys, thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this little video, subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up, drop your comments down below, and you'll be seeing us again not too long. Probably got another trip coming up soon, so yeah, take care guys.